There's a story of a very rich man. He was a rich, proper rich person. He owned a luxury car and a nice house, also a big business he had. And Allah Almighty had given him so much blessings. One day, he came home in the evening and spent time with his family, children, had dinner and done the important tasks. And then he went to the room as normal, the way we do it. When we come back from work, we go home and sit with family, have dinner, do important tasks and do housework, whatever is needed. After that, we go in a room, in a bed and have rest. This rich man done the same thing. But as soon as he went to the bed, he tried to sleep, but he could not get to sleep. Remember, sleeping is also a blessing from Allah Azza wa Jal, and is only given to the whoever He wills. This wealthy man was continuously tossing right, left, going up and down, he couldn't sleep. After quite some time, he thought to himself that I am doing nothing but laying here. Why not get some fresh air and go outside and get some fresh air? Hence he got into the car and he drove around some areas, different direction, no destination there. Eventually he came across to the masjid. Subhanallah. Now he thought to himself, instead of wandering around, why don't I just go into the masjid? So he parked his car in a parking area, went inside the masjid and he done wudu, make wudu, and entered the main hall of the masjid. He suddenly stopped in his tracks and nobody was inside, but he could hear somebody is crying from one corner of the masjid. And in that corner, he saw a poor man was crying and making dua to Allah Azza wa Jal, making dua with the tears falling from his eyes. Oh Allah Almighty, the poor person proclaimed, my daughter is ill. She's very ill. Doctor says she needs a surgery. I am a poor person. I don't have no money to pay. Oh Allah Almighty, you are the creator of all means. Shower your mercy upon me. Observing this rich man was hearing his dua. The wealthy man realized why he couldn't sleep. Approaching the poor person, this rich individual put his hand into his pocket and took out whatever he had and gave it to the poor person. After this, he's also given his business card, because he was a business person, and with his address on it, and said to the individual, this is all I have at the moment. If you need more, come to this address. And the poor man, he gave the card back to the wealthy individual. He said, my brother, I already